I'd spent the majority of my 20s in different jobs, any job that I could get that would bring in money. By the time I was 32, I sat and I thought, this is no good. I need a career. So I enrolled on to the Bachelor of Science degree in Mental Health and Wellbeing at Glyndŵr University. I had imposter syndrome. I'd listened to everybody else's stories. Never thought from them first couple of weeks that I would get to the point where I was at. So going from somebody who had no academic background, I am really proud of myself, and I would encourage anybody of any age, if you want to do it, go out and get it. Go out and do it.
So I'm Andrew Rogers. I'm a PhD researcher working with Bangor University on community development. So here we are in the centre of Beaumaris. There are people that have lived here for decades and decades, and they've had families, and their families have moved away, often for employment. So you've got a number of families in isolated communities. This is still their home. It's a beautiful place. It's about working with local people to say, how could you work together with us to make some things better? I started off with a whole range of different theories that was already in my head about how community development works. And they told me very clearly to sort my language out, because it wasn't a theory, it was just being a good neighbour. This is about, you look after your neighbours, don't you? And sometimes we just need a little bit of help to be able to make those connections. So that's why the project really developed here, to try and connect people better. All my research has done is just help them rehearse really their story. And what became really significant was during COVID, when lots of bits of the state machinery stopped working. Projects continued working because they built up that level of neighbourliness where people were just looking out for each other. And it's clear that the lessons that they've learned as a project here have got real resonance to other areas. So now people are coming to the area to ask, how did you do it? How can we do it?